Construction process of the project system is the project integrated software and hardware by using a pre-recorded video captured via a camera as input, which was then processed in Google Colab using Python. The YOLO V8 object detection model and OpenCV library work together to analyze video frames in real time. Development was divided into phases: initial setup and environment configuration, object detection and tracking with YOLO V8, zone and gate, logic, implementation, and visualization of results. One major challenge was ensuring the accurate entry exit detection while avoiding double counting. This was addressed by implementing tracking IDs, direction analysis, and zone-based logic. Another difficulty was filtering out seated or stationary individuals with which was handled by checking bounding backs, height, and movement across multiple frames. System specification is the minimum hardware requirements for this project include a system with at least an Intel i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, and a stable internet connection. For optimal performance, a system with an Intel i7 processor or higher, 16 GB RAM, and a dedicated GPU is recommended especially for real-time video processing. On the software side, the project was developed and run in Google Colab, which operates on a cloud-based Linux environment. It utilized Python or OpenCV, the UltraLatex YOLO V8 library, and required Google Drive for video storage. This is no need for separated database system. For using user access, basic knowledge of Python and Google Colab is needed. Users should have a Google account to access the run and run the Colab notebook with permission to upload and manage video files and Google Drive. So, the system functionality training phase, users are trained to use the system through a short orientation session that includes a live demonstration of how to upload videos file, run the Google Colab notebook, and interpret the output. Training material include a step-by-step user manual with screenshots or short video tutorial, and a quick reference guide highlighting key features and common troubleshooting steps. The training typically lasts at least 30 to 45 minutes and covers basic skills such as navigating Google Colab, mounting Google Drive, selecting in, input videos, and understanding the entry and exit counts results displayed during and after processing. So the system functionality testing phase is The system was tested using unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. Unit testing is ensure that individual components such as frame processing, YOLO detection, and centroid tracking function correctly. Integration testing verify that all modules, including video input, detection, tracking, and counting, work together seamlessly. System testing was performed by running complete video samples through the program to simulate the real-world scenarios. This case included people walking in both directions and standing still, sitting, or partially visible. Issues Issues such as false positives and double counting were identified during testing. These were resolved by refining zone boundaries, filtering based on bounding back size, and using tracking IDs to ensure the each person's was only counted once.